Good day, good day. How you doing, man? My name is Michael. I was trading Forex for 7 months. Man, this was a long journey. Um, some days I feel like I wasn't getting nowhere. Stressed out, want to make money and can't make money. Don't know what to do in the markets. Until one day I stumbled across Facade Forex for beginners. Man, that was one of the best things I ever did. I looked at the video and it was so mind blowing. I had to join the academy, and when I joined the academy, man, it was the best thing that ever happened because you get everything in one academy for free. Where in the world can you get all this information for free? This was mind blowing, and they make you feel at home. They give you everything you need. Uh, so I just keep up the good work, man. You teach us to support and resistance, trend line channels, how to mark up your chart, different correlations on the different time frames. I learned a whole lot from this. Trust me. Just keep up the good work, man. You're doing a good job.